Welcome. Let's look at how we add groups to Canvas. So we're going to select people from the list on the left of the screen. Okay, now we are going to select plus group set on the top right of the screen. And then we're going to give our group set a name. So I'm just going to name this one Project 1. And then we're going to select the parameters, and I'm going to choose to create groups later, and then I'm going to select Save. Now let's add a group to our group set. So we're going to click plus group from the top right of the screen, and we're going to name this group Group 1. We're going to set our group membership limit at 2. That means I want 2 people in each group. So I'm going to select 2 and then select Save. Let's set up another group. So plus group, and I'm going to name this one Group 2. And we're going to allow 2 members in this group as well. And then always remember to select Save. Now let's assign the students to groups. We're going to go to Joe and select the plus sign beside his name and assign him to Group 1. Then we're going to select the plus sign beside Sally and select Group 2. And then we can double check and make sure our students are in their groups we assign them to. Now let's look at another way that we can add students to groups. So I need to create another group set. I'm going to name this one Project 2 and Save. And then I'm going to go ahead and set up the groups within the Project 2 group set. So just like before, I'm going to name the first one Group 1, and the second one is going to be Group 2. And we're going to allow 2 students in each group. So the Group 2 is going to be set up here. And then always remember to click Save once we've set those groups up. The other way to add students to groups is the drag and drop feature. So let's go back and click on Joe's name, drag him over, drop him into Group 1. Sally, drag her over, drop her into Group 2. And there you have it. Joe and Sally are in Group 1 and 2 respectively. And that's how you add groups in Canvas.